Fam Rips Pokemon. Doing a quick 3-pack Sword and Shield 10. If I remember correctly, we should have, in my opinion, the big 3. Yep, Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike, and Evolving Cries. Let's go ahead and get the Fusion Strike. Going for some Mews. Any big Mew would be great here. Kind of in that weird phase where we've got the last few Sword and Shield sets trickling in. Scarlet and Violet, if you're able to. I got a big card on this one. Is this going to be the one? Here we go. Jinx. Mandibuzz. Boom, baby. ESPEON VMax. Holy cow. Boom. Oh, now there, that's not good, or is it? Wow, I am really curious how that works. All right, so we pull the second rarest card, but it definitely has a stamp mark on it. We'll take a deeper look at that towards the end of the video. I have pulled these tins where all 3 packs were misses. I very rarely have pulled these tins where it has more than 1 hit. So let's see. Yeah. Evolving Cries is a dud. Brilliant Stars. Oh my gosh, that ESPEON VMax. All right. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Really want to take a look at this card. Take a closer look at it. I have not been. Oh, okay. Wow. This is like almost a common at this point. Strange. White code card. Did you get a holo? Okay. ESPEON though. Anyone catches this, please, in the comments, let us know if this is something that we should get graded or just write off as, hey, a great rare hit. Centering's a little off top of the bottom anyway, but that's crazy. Alright, cool. Well, never-ending fun here at Fam Rips Pokemon. The kids went to bed early, and I didn't have enough Pokemon pack opening fun, so why not go ahead and rip a Fusion Strike top 2, top 3 card? But yeah, please, in the comments, let me know what y'all think about that. Thank you. Alright, cool. Bye.